Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you an easy and reliable way to increase followers on Instagram. As you can see on the screen, the followers are coming in fast, and this method truly works. First, let's start by visiting the website rapidboost.net. This site offers a variety of services to help you grow your social media presence. Once you're on the site, locate the Instagram followers section, which you'll see at the top of the page along with other social media services. This is where you can choose the number of followers you want to receive. The options range from a few hundred to tens of thousands, so you can select the amount that fits your needs. This flexibility allows you to scale your followers as needed. After selecting the number of followers, the next step is to provide your Instagram profile details. You can copy and paste the link to your profile or simply enter your username. In this example, I will enter the username, making sure it is correct. Once you've entered your profile details, click Next to proceed. You'll need to fill in some basic information to complete your order. Enter your email address, first and last name, and optionally your country and any notes related to the order. In the summary, you will also see the number and type of services purchased, as well as their price. After filling in your information, click Place Order to move on to the payment page. I'll make the payment now and I'll see you shortly once the payment is completed. As you can see, the followers have arrived on my Instagram profile. This method is quick and easy, and you can see the results almost instantly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.